Your car is begging for help, but you're ignoring the warning signs. You might be dealing with a sensor failure, and trust me, these hidden problems could be costing you thousands in repairs. What if I told you that mechanics often miss or ignore these 9 secret sensor failures, and they could be silently destroying your car? Stick around, because what you're about to learn could save you thousands in unexpected repairs. 1. The oxygen sensor. Let's kick things off with the oxygen sensor. It's one of the most critical sensors in your car. This little component measures the amount of oxygen in your car's exhaust and sends this information to your engine control unit, helping to regulate fuel efficiency and emissions. Sounds simple, right? Well, if this sensor fails, it can cause your car to run inefficiently, leading to increased fuel consumption and emissions issues. But that's not all. A faulty oxygen sensor can cause significant damage to other engine components over time. For instance, if it's sending incorrect data, your car might run rich, too much fuel, or lean, too little fuel. This causes misfires, engine knocking, and poor acceleration. If left unchecked, it could even damage your catalytic converter, which is a costly repair. So, what happens if you ignore the oxygen sensor? It could cause your car to fail emissions tests and trigger that dreaded check engine light. Stick with us, because we'll reveal another common sensor failure that could be costing you a fortune. 2. The mass airflow sensor. Next up is the mass airflow sensor. This sensor is vital for your engine's performance. It measures the amount of air entering your engine and helps the ECU adjust the fuel injectors to get the right fuel-to-air ratio. If this sensor fails, it can lead to several problems. First, your engine might run rough as the fuel-to-air ratio becomes imbalanced. This leads to poor acceleration, stalling, and in some cases, your engine could even flood with too much fuel. On top of that, a fault sensor can lower your fuel economy, meaning you'll spend more at the gas station than necessary. The worst part? A bad MAF sensor can also damage the engine's cylinders, leading to costly repairs. Mechanics won't always tell you about this sensor, but it's one of the most common issues that leads to poor engine performance and high repair costs. Now let's move on to another hidden sensor issue that can cause your car to misfire and stall unexpectedly. It's a problem you might not even know is happening. Stay tuned to find out more. 3. Crankshaft position sensor. Up next is the crankshaft position sensor, a little part that does a big job. This sensor tracks the position and speed of the crankshaft, sending vital information to the ECU for ignition timing and fuel injection. If it fails, the consequences are serious. A faulty crankshaft position sensor can cause your engine to misfire, stall, or even fail to start altogether. You might experience poor acceleration and even engine hesitation, making your car feel sluggish. In the worst-case scenario, it could lead to complete engine failure if not addressed quickly. Replacing this sensor is relatively inexpensive, but ignoring it can cause much more severe damage to your engine. Don't let this silent culprit ruin your ride. Now let's talk about another sensor failure that's trickier to spot. It might not trigger the check engine light, but it could be draining your wallet over time. Find out what it is next. 4. The throttle position sensor. Let's discuss the throttle position sensor. This sensor monitors the position of the throttle in your car's engine, helping to control how much fuel enters the engine. If it fails, your car may exhibit a wide range of issues that can leave you frustrated. One of the first signs of a failing TPS is poor acceleration. Your car might hesitate or jerk when you press the accelerator. You could also experience rough idling or even stalling. Because this sensor affects fuel delivery, a malfunction could lead to your engine getting too much or too little fuel, causing a variety of problems, including increased fuel consumption and engine misfires. A bad TPS can be difficult to diagnose, and many mechanics may overlook it, but the result is poor performance and, in the long run, major engine issues. Now let's move on to another sensor that you might not even realize is failing. This one controls your car's fuel efficiency and performance. Stick with us. This one's a big one. The knock sensor. Here's another critical sensor, the knock sensor. This component detects knocking or pinging sounds in your engine, which are caused by the ignition timing being off. When it detects knocking, the knock sensor sends signals to the ECU to adjust the timing and prevent engine damage. A failing knock sensor can cause your engine to run rough, experience misfires, and lose power. This also means your engine is not running as efficiently as it should, leading to decreased fuel economy. Worse, ignoring a faulty knock sensor can result in engine damage, as continuous knocking can cause severe harm to internal components. Getting this sensor replaced is not that expensive, but waiting too long to fix it could lead to costly repairs down the line. Don't overlook the knock sensor. It's a small part that plays a big role in engine health. Now let's move on to another sensor failure that can affect your fuel efficiency and engine performance. You'll want to know about this one before it spirals out of control. 6. The coolant temperature sensor. Next on our list is the coolant temperature sensor. This sensor monitors the temperature of your engine coolant and ensures that the engine doesn't overheat. It's crucial for maintaining the proper operating temperature and ensuring that your engine doesn't suffer from the damaging effects of excessive heat. A faulty coolant temperature sensor can send false readings to the ECU, causing your engine to overheat, or in some cases, not heat up properly at all. This can result in poor fuel efficiency, engine damage, and even complete engine failure if the problem isn't addressed. You may also experience the check engine light coming on as a result of this issue. Replacing this sensor is usually affordable, but ignoring it could lead to catastrophic engine failure and hefty repair costs. Next, we're diving into another sensor that's often overlooked, but can cause big issues if not addressed. Stay tuned to find out what it is. What sensor issue have you faced in the past? Share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. 7. Camshaft position sensor. Let's talk about the camshaft position sensor, another crucial component that helps your engine maintain proper timing for fuel injection and ignition. This sensor sends information to the ECU about the position of the camshaft, which is directly tied to the engine's performance. A malfunctioning camshaft position sensor can cause misfires, rough idling, and poor acceleration. It can also trigger the check engine light, and in some cases, cause the car to stall or fail to start. A bad sensor can cause your car to behave unpredictably, and ignoring it could eventually lead to major engine problems. If you suspect an issue with your camshaft position sensor, it's best to address it immediately before more serious damage occurs. We're almost done, but before we wrap up, let's cover one last sensor that you might not have even heard of, but it can impact your car's performance in a big way. 8. The tire pressure monitoring system. The tire pressure monitoring system is essential for maintaining the correct tire pressure, which is directly related to safety, performance, and fuel efficiency. This system alerts you when your tire pressure is too low, which can lead to uneven tire wear, reduced fuel efficiency, and in extreme cases, blowouts. A malfunctioning TPMS might cause false readings, giving you a false sense of security. If the system is telling you your tire pressure is fine when it's actually low, it could lead to dangerous driving conditions, especially on highways. TPMS sensors are relatively inexpensive to replace, so don't ignore them. A small repair can save you from dangerous situations on the road. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap all of these essential sensor failures and what you need to look out for. To recap, here are the 9 secret sensor failures that could be silently damaging your car. These sensors are critical to keeping your engine running smoothly and efficiently. If one of them fails, it could cause serious issues ranging from poor performance to complete engine failure. Always be proactive about getting them checked regularly. Some cars look great on paper, but become maintenance nightmares after just a few years. If you want a car that will last, make sure to avoid these cars. Our next video reveals 12 worst cars that no one buys according to Consumer Reports. Watch now and save big. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.